What's good, everybody? It's your boy Samaj J, aka Squirt the Q, with Snatching Soul. Back again with another video for you. And today I got something a little different. One of my partners, Drill 1K on IG. He does all my cleaning work when I have some shoes that I really need some good, not regular cleaning, some deep cleaning into any type of material that I don't want to damage. I give them to him, he gets it done, get them back, they look brand new. So I'm gonna let y'all know what the shoes look like before they go to him, and then I'll come back after he finishes and let y'all know what they look like after he's done with them. All right, so the first two I'm gonna show you are my shoes, but I got 3 myself, so I'm giving him 5 today. All right, the first one is a Legend Blue. So that's it, just color change within the shoe and stuff like that right here. Where the leather and everything is, but this one ain't as bad. This the one I know, when he turn this one around, it's gonna blow everybody's mind. Y'all see the stains within the inside and everything on both sides, both shoes. So we gonna see what he does with this one. This is gonna be the one, I believe, that's gonna have everybody like, oh yeah, he's the truth. That's the one. All right, now to go to mine, I'm gonna give him my Concord. I just want him. He's gonna redo my patent leather on the toe, reshine it, do everything like that. He does it all. I kid y'all not, he does it all. So he'll do all that for me on those. Got my playoff 13. Y'all just see, I just need these done. So I done wore them out. Like I don't wore these. So I just want the bottom kind of redone just to make it look a little decent, so I can just be an everyday shoe for me. But a good looking everyday shoe, I put it that way. Then last but not least, my go-to ride or die baby. I don't know if he can fix this. If he does something with this, cause I might have did this in the dirt. So if he can do something to this, then it's on. This is my build pair of my Olive 9. So this is another one. If people see this one, they gonna be like, bruh, ain't no way he brought this back like this. So I'm gonna give y'all some up close of all 5 of them. So I'm about to get to that next. So finna go pick up these shoes that my boy Drill did for me. Y'all see me, I'm in my boy Johnny J's Next Up Everyday Sneakerhead shirt. It got a 5 on it, but you know his favorite shoe is the Jordan 4. So y'all remember Jordan 4s? That's the 08 Bread 4 from the pack. Y'all know OG everything, even though I'm young. But I'm gonna let y'all check out these kicks, let y'all holler at Drill, and I'm out of here. Finna pick up these shoes from my nigga Drill. He finna get me together. I got everything in order. Motherfucking man with the plan right there. Yeah. What's happening with it, bro? Hey, it took me a little minute to pull up. Oh, you good, you good, you good. Sheesh. I told y'all. This just the first. This just the first time. Just wait. Just wait.
Man, I ate and had things like this.
Man, it's good.
They did come back white though.
On my mama.
They did come back. I know you probably can't tell from the pictures though. But you see what I'm talking about.
Hell yeah. All right, so that I know what time it is.
But like you see, all over. I said, man, no way. No, the year be on the tag.
But look, both of them same year.
For real?
Yeah. Them 10
When
too.
you get more into it, you'll see like.
I know what's coming with that. That's why I just want shit to just go ahead and roll how it's gonna roll, so I'll be straight. I told y'all that's gonna be the one that's gonna sell y'all right there. That y'all gonna come fuck with them. That pair right there, I told y'all. That pair right there. Bro. Man, hey, tell him. Go on, tell him what it is, though.
Want the drill, man.
Hey.
Okay.
But hey, I'm gonna get to the crib. I'm gonna let y'all know get some more in depth. What's good, people? Back at the crib. Got all the shoes back in the crib. And my God, that's all I can say. So I ain't gonna do too much talking with the shoes we were talking. Joint look brand new. Y'all saw the stains that was on that one. Here's my baby. Y'all saw what happened to the toe. But y'all already know what was coming to the toe. I gotta get that redone. So I'll get a new pair. One or two. Y'all know I don't do that high top pair level, so you know that's an old pair. But this one, I told y'all this the one. If he bring this one back, this the one. And this look just like my doggone my pair I wear rarely. And this is my beater pair that he redid. Crazy. And then these right here, y'all waiting. But guess who ain't waiting? Ridiculous, bro. Ridiculous. Bro, I got my toe pad re-glued and everything, bro. In playoffs, y'all finna fuck the game up. But I'm gonna give y'all some up close and hand joints of the other one. And shit, that's gonna be it. I'm out of here.